Carburetor has been rebuilt for Iron Man. It's time for some action, man. Y'all better stay tuned. We finna get these carburetors swapped out. I'm not even finna bore y'all with that. I'm finna put y'all on time lapse. We finna get to it. God is everything. Without God, I'm nothing. Took me a few minutes to do. If this was some fuel injected, man, it would have been a whole lot more time involved in getting this thing on here. But carb is on, making sure all my lines and stuff is hooked up, and we finna get ready to get a start up on this thing. I do have to get the gas primed up, so I know it's gonna take a few tries to get this thing started, but y'all hold tight. I'm gonna prop y'all up on the outside and we finna get this started up. A call, man. I'm gonna link his information up right here, right now, over the screen. Give him a call, man. He got this carburetor rebuilt in one day. Bigger jets, carburetor's on point. We finna go on the first drive in it though. We headed out on the first drive. So far, I ain't missed a beat. We're finna go on the first drive, check everything out. Driving this thing, man. I haven't tuned on the carburetor at all. Does it need some tuning? I don't know. I'm just out trying to drive it. Just taking it on a short drive. Just trying to test it out. Y'all know how I do. A few wide open throttle pulls because we got bigger jets in this carburetor. So we finna see if them bigger jets made a difference. pulling it down in one, all that. Just gonna do a regular drive pull and see what we can come up with. And that's gonna be about it. Let's see now, cause before I couldn't do no burnout over here. Let's see. I actually did a burnout that time, guys. Let's make a shakedown. I gotta be honest about that. Definitely feels about the same. But I tried to do a burnout with my wife in here, man, and I couldn't do a burnout, so I don't know. Truck still running good. Let this car go. I hear my trans cooler on down there. Success. Go check out one of my other videos, man. I've been dropping hits for y'all lately, man. I'm gonna leave it over here for you.